Hi students, in our previous video we discussed about homeworks, how to send homeworks to the teachers for correction. Assignments is also a similar process like sending the homeworks. Suppose when an assignment is given to me, see in the on my Teams on my mobile, I will find that I have one notification. So just I'm opening the team to see what the notification is about. So I think one assignment is assigned to me. So when I go to the notification, so assignment mentioned in the recording. This is a channel. So I am opening the assignment. So it will show that assigned date September 22, that is it is assigned today and at 10:06 p.m. So what is the assignment is the find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So to view the assignment, you press on view assignment. Assignment will open in another page. So you check, this is the heading of the what is the this is the subject of the find the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. This is the subject of the examination and you will be given a due date also, that is it is due by tomorrow 6 p.m. That means you must submit this assignment by tomorrow 6 p.m. And there are some instructions also given, write neatly and write all questions. And the reference material, this is your question paper reference material. If you press on the reference material, our question paper will be shown to you. And after writing entire exam on your CT book, you need to take a photo of it by pressing add work. You need to press on add work and you need to take a photo of it. And then this is the number of points for the number of marks, how many number of marks the assignment is being connected. Here it is assigned for 100 marks. And here you will find a content called as rubric. Here it is called as rubric. If you select on the rubric, so it will show you, that means it will show you the marks, how you get the marks in your examinations. That is answering of all questions, that is excellent is graded as 3 points, answered all questions, that is graded as excellent 3 points and you will be getting 3 points. Answered half or more than half of the questions, that is graded as good, and answered less than half of the questions, that is graded as fair at 1 point. Just like some rubrics will be there for you. The second rubric is about handwriting, very neat, average, poor, and how many marks you are getting for the neat handwriting. And another rubric like no mistakes, you will be getting with 3 points with excellent grade, and 1 to 5 mistakes you will be getting scoring 2 points, and more than 5 mistakes only 1 point you will be getting. So another notebook and conclusion, how you conclude the examination, that is also you will be getting to just you will be, there is a chance for you to get the marks for you. See here. And okay, I'm going back. So just I'm opening the assignments again. So to once you, this is, if you press here, if you press on the, yeah, this page, your question paper will be open to you. See, this is the question paper. See the question paper given to me. So what is the thing you need to do is you need to note down all the questions on your book, and after answering all the questions on your book, you need to upload the content by taking a photo of it. See, to take a photo of it, first to take a photo of the, like in the assignments you can upload a photo or you can take a photo, but here it is only the thing is you can upload a photo which is already in your gallery. So for this, after completing the assignment, you need to take a photo of your work and save it in your gallery. So you need to add work, press add work. Here it will ask you whether how to upload the image, whether you need to upload it from the OneDrive, new file, link, Teams. So actually currently we are not using any of this. You need to upload this image from this device only. Okay, device also, if you are having a photo library, you can upload it from there. So actually here I will shown as a photo library, take photo or video and browse. But actually this is an iPhone, and so that's why this is opening, there is opening so many options here. In some of the Android phones, this much number photo, this take photo or video option will not be there. So only the option available in some Android devices is only from photo library. So that's the reason I asked the students to take a photo of the work. So you can suppose I am selecting upload from the photo library. So again it will take to my gallery. So from here again I am uploading my work, I am selecting my work and I am adding it to the work. So I attached my work. If you are having more works and another page if you want to add, also you can press here and add work and again upload from the device. This time I am going to take a photo of my work. So I am pressing on the second option like take photo and video. So I am pressing on that and I am taking a photo of it. And so if it is okay, you can use as use photo. Suppose if you are having any corrections that is to be done in the photo, like some fixing some borders or fixing some light errors, so you can retake the photo. So now so my photo is okay to upload, so I'm pressing use photo. So all my works are uploaded here. So then so you need to press as turn in here. So to submit the assignments, you need to for the homeworks you need to select done option from here, from the right bottom of the screen. For assignments on the right upper right, you need to press a turn in option. So now here I am pressing as turn in, see, and after turning in my assignment is sent to the teacher and it is uploaded to the teacher for correction. I send the assignment to the teacher for correction. Once the teacher corrects my assignment and returns to me, so I will be getting a notification like this again in the Teams app. Like I got a notification. I am opening to check what the notification is about. The assignments sent a message, assignments returned. See here it is mentioned as assignments returned. That means the teacher returned means the teacher has corrected my assignment and returned to me. I am pressing to see what. So here assignment returned and the time also mentioned here. So now I am pressing on the assignment here. See here. So I got the result of the assignment. Find the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix. So I attempted examination on this content, and that is the result. There is a due date also for this. After all the answer on all the questions. So this is my work, and there is the feedback. There is some one feedback also given by teacher that is right neatly. And the number of points which are secured will be shown here. Suppose actually there is some rubric attached to the assignment. If you want to check here, you can send the rubric. That means how you got the points, where you lost the points, and where you got secured the points. If you see here, teacher has given you some excellent grade in answering all the questions. Suppose if you go to the next rubric, it is about handwriting. Handwriting, like teacher graded your handwriting as good. That is a average handwriting. So I think teacher has given the feedback right neatly for that only. And spelling mistakes excellent, no mistakes are there. And with conclusion, some good conclusion, some perfection is needed is there. So that is the what is the rubric the teacher gave to you. So in this way you can submit your assignments, and here in the Teams if you go here and if you, on pressing more you can select your grades also. Your grades also will be shown here. After examinations you can see the grades of all the examinations which you attempted till now. See here, this is the grades of all the examinations which you suppose now you attempted only one exam. So this is the grade which we got. Suppose if I attempted more than one exam, so what are the total number of examinations which I attempted, grades will be shown here.